Hi, my name is Kareena Vaswani, and I was an intern with the Museum Memories Project about 3 years back. It was a time of the COVID pandemic, and we were all in lockdown, and there was a lot of uncertainty around us. And one of the things that really drove us out of it and kept us going through the pandemic is how we could look back upon the memories that we had made when we were traveling or had interacted with spaces and people around us. And that was something that we couldn't do during the pandemic. Museum Memories Project actually took a lot of these memories and put it out there for people to read and come together as a community to retell and re-interact with a lot of these spaces that they had been to or hadn't been to for that matter. Um, with the learnings from the Museum Memories Project, I felt that it was very important to honor, cherish, and retell our own culture and heritage. And with that, I took the opportunity to translate some of the Sindhi songs that my grandparents had compiled during and after the partition era. And I did it in a way that it could resonate with not only the generation of today, but also the ones that are to follow. And it really is how we make history, the stories we retell and how we retell them that really matter, and they sort of create a mark about our own culture and heritage. Thanks.